But instead of addition, we do multiplication. So 2/4 times 1/2. Well, to solve this, you just need to 2 divided by 1/2. So we put 2. Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about multiplication and division of fractions. But before we start the video, please make sure to like and subscribe with the notification bell on so you won't miss any of my videos. Alright, let's get started. So multiplication and division of fractions, these kinds of operations are actually easier than addition and subtraction when it comes to fractions. But why and how are they easier than addition and subtraction when it comes to fractions? Well, let me show you why. So if you have a problem of 2/4 plus 1/2, what you do here is you find the least common denominator of 4 and 2, right? Because they're not like terms. We need to convert them to like terms. And to convert them to like terms, you have to find the least common denominator, and once they are like terms, you can now solve them. But in multiplication and division, they're different. They're actually easier. Let's do the same fractional numbers, but instead of addition, we do multiplication. So 2/4 times 1/2. Well, to solve this, you just need to multiply the numerator and you just need to multiply the numerators and denominators. So right here the numerator is 2 times 1. 2 times 1 is equals to 2. Now 4 times 2 is going to be 8. See? That's easy. We already got our answer. But always remember, always simplify your answers when they are not simplifying. But you see here, 2 over 8. That's not simplified yet because they're both divisible by 2. So to simplify this, we need to divide them by 2 because they're both divisible by 2. So 2 divided by 2 and 8 divided by 2. Alright? 2 divided by the divisible and 8 divided by the divisible. Alright? 2 divided by 2, that's 1. And 8 divided by 2, that's going to be 4. Alright, so yeah, that's how you do it. 2/4 times 1/2 is 1/4. Easy. Now, there's actually a faster way to solve multiplication of fractions. Alright, 2/4 times 1/2. A faster way to solve this is you see this fractional number, right? This first fractional number, if you look at the numerator, you see it's number 2, right? And in the second fractional number, you can see the denominator is 2. So this is like simplifying. If you see the same numbers in the numerator and denominator, you cross them out. So yeah. So we cross these 2 out. They're just the same as simplifying. So when we cross the numbers that are the same, the value is going to be 1 always. So yeah, both of these numbers are the same. So when we cross them out, they're going to be 1. So 1 times 1 is going to be 1, and 4 times 1 is 4. See, there's a faster way to solve it. So multiplication fractions is so easy, right? We just multiply the numerators, and after that, we multiply the denominators. Then we simplify. Easy, right? Now, what about division? Well, division is also easy. It's so easy. It's like for kindergarteners. So, let's try this problem. 2/4 divided by 1/2. So we did the same number. We did the same fractional numbers, just a different operation. Wait. Yeah. Yep. That's a division, right? So to solve this, it's actually easy. We just need to convert this into multiplication. But how can we convert this into multiplication? Well, that's easy. Let's put here 2/4 times. Now, in this second fractional number, we need to reciprocal it. Now, what is reciprocal? Reciprocal. Alright, this is how you spell it. Reciprocal. Now, what is reciprocal? Reciprocal is switching the numerators and denominators, like switching the position of them. So let's say we have a fractional number of 2/4. What is the reciprocal form of 2/4? Well, that's easy. We just switch the position of a numerator and denominator. So that's gonna be 4/2. All right. 2/4. The reciprocal form is 4/2. So in the second fractional number, we need to reciprocal this. All right. So 1/2. What's the reciprocal of 1/2? The reciprocal of 1/2 is 2/1. Well, technically it's 2 because we don't really need to share the 1 because 2 divided by 1 is 2. We don't really need to share the 1. So what we have here is 2. In the number 2, if the denominator is automatically 1, that means the number 2 is the numerator. So in the first fractional number, you see the denominator is 4. And right here, in the second number, it's number 2 and it's a numerator. So these both numbers, 2 and number 4, they're both divisible by 2. So we both divide them by 2. Alright? So right here, we divide 2 divided by 2, that's going to be 1. And 4 divided by 2, it's going to be 2. Alright? So easy, we cross them out. Now 2 times 1, that's going to be 2. And right here, there's nothing here in the denominator, but 2 has the denominator automatically 1. So that's basically 2 times 1. So that's 2. Now, this is not the simplified form yet. We need to simplify it. Well, that's easy. We just divide these two. 2 divided by 2, that's 1. Easy. So that's how you do multiplication and division of fractions. They're actually easier. Now, let me give you some problems here to solve. I want you to solve this problem. 2/8 times 4/2. Alright? You may pause the video so you can answer it. Alright? Alright. Right here in the first fractional number, the numerator is 2. And in the second fractional number, the denominator is 2. So if we cancel them out, and the value is going to be 1. Right? Both of them are 1 now. Now, right here, in the first fractional number, the denominator is 8. And in the second fractional number, the numerator is 4. So, they're both divisible by 4. Alright? So, that means we divide both 4 and 8 by 2. I mean 4. So, we divide both of them by 4, alright? So, 4 divided by 4, that's going to be 1. And 8 divided by 4, that's going to be 2. Alright? So, yeah. 1 times 1, that's going to be 1. And 2 times 1, that's going to be 2. So, our answer here is 1/2. Alright? Your answer is correct. If your answer is 1/2, your answer is correct. See? It's easy. Now, let me give you a division problem this time. What division problem should I give you? 2 divided by 1/2. Alright? 2 2 divided by 1/2. Alright, this is 2 divided by 1/2. You may pause the video if you want to answer it. Okay, so 2 divided by 1/2. We convert this to multiplication, right? So we put 2 times, we reciprocal the number 1/2. Alright? The reciprocal of 1/2 is 2 over 1. But since we don't really need to share the 1, we just put, oh, sorry. Looks like the gravity pulled down the whiteboard.
Wahaha! I have your Krabby Patty secret formula now. Times 1.
Alright, so 1/2, but the reciprocal is 2. Oh, so that's 2 times 2, that's gonna be 4. Alright, so 2 divided by 1/2 is equals to 4. Easy. Alright, so that's it for the video, everyone. I hope you learned from this video on how to do multiplication and division of fractions. Alright, bye guys, thanks for watching.
Run! She's still there? Okay, it's not there anymore. Now I can finally have peace with my Krabby Patty secret formula. Wait, where's my Krabby Patty secret formula? Oh, come on. ADLEX stole it. How dare you, ADLEX? Well, bye. Still subscribe to him, bro.